Hi Kimberly. This is how you do the crab fold. So I made all my marks and I cut them. And instead of folding these tabs, you're going to fold the first and last back. I use this. And this is a report holder. You can get them at like the dollar store. You can get like 3 of them for $1. And then I put this in here and I folded this, the first and last tab back. And then do every other one. Okay, set that back there. This is the inset page. You're gonna take this folder, slide it across the whole page, fold it back to the same depth. That's how you get everything to be the same depth, and the design will stick out as in the pattern that you purchased. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Have a great day.